Oh, look, it's like I'm holding two penises. I was not expecting you to be this large in person.
What about my physique?
Yeah, you look terrible.
Yeah. Oh my God, those veins, man.
Yeah, when they're pumped, they look quite silly.
Shit. They look pumped already.
I'll stop.
Yeah.
Ever used a penis pump before?
No. Have you?
Me neither. Yes.
How do you want it?
How
do you want it?
I mean, always weird about like the degree of touch.
I'm like a stress ball, man. Just come.
Oh my God.
I'm here. I'm a visitor, right? It's your kingdom.
My God. A little bulge. A little bulge never hurt anyone. Literally, that penis is too small to hurt anyone.
Dude, that's so sick.
Thank you. Those are excellent LA fitness influencer boy shoes. You walk in the gym with those, I know you're a man with a YouTube channel. You can probably do the same weight as I do on this. I've taken a look at your glutes. I like what I see.
Thank you.